So let's talk a little bit about the Italian bee strengths. First of all, 92% of all beekeepers have Italian honeybees. They are good in the south, they're good in the north, they're good out west. So you really can't go wrong with the Italian honeybees. They have a strong disposition to breeding very early in the season and also going fairly late after the nectar flow is done for the season. Their cleanliness is very, very good inside the hive. They're excellent housekeepers. They use little propolis, and you'll find that that's a big difference from other honeybees that are out there. Now, propolis, for those that don't know, that's basically sap that they get from various trees as they're foraging. And again, they're excellent foragers. They will be out foraging on one given tree and then move to another bush and then to another flower. They tend to move in larger groups. They won't go from flower to tree. You'll see them basically hitting those nectar sources that are really in full nectar drop for that given day.
Do you have a favorite type of bee with all of your years of experience, or is it really just dependent on a variety of factors? But I'll ask the question, does Ray have a favorite type of bee?
My favorite is the Italian, but I also really appreciate the Carniolan. But one of the things that you'll find with the Italian honeybee is the superb comb building ability of the bee. They will draw out comb very, very quickly, and they will also cap it just as soon as that moisture content is correct. One of the things that you'll really see is the brilliant white wax cappings. When the honeybee, the Italian honeybee, caps their honey, it is a very, very white color, almost like snow. Now, for areas with continuous nectar flow, they are really, really good on collecting that nectar. Now, one of the biggest traits that I feel the Italian honeybee has is their gentleness. You can make mistakes and not have them fly all up in your face. That's a very important trait, and that's probably why 90+% of beekeepers have Italian honeybees as their main bee in their bee yards.